Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys what I usually do daily when I log on to Heartopia. And basically, I accept all of the tasks first, like the resident requests, story requests, etc. Then I will start to harvest my crops and replant them. So they'll have like time to grow, I guess. That's what I do next. Once I'm done with that, I feed my pets and interact with them. I don't really like play with them. I just feed them and I claim the like presents that they give. Once I am done with that, I then do the like resident requests. And I think that's what I do daily. Like after that, I just go like to the stores and check on the like weekly and like daily rotations. So I check the furniture store, the clothing store, and the pet store. And if there's anything in the lab, I do check it, but I don't really do it daily because I know I can't upgrade it yet. Like I still have like a few weeks to upgrade the lab. And yeah, that's what I basically do every time I log into Heartopia. Quests first, like I just accept it. I don't do it first, and then plants, pets, and then I actually do the requests and stuff like that. But yeah, that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.